Hi everybody, it's Megan. I hope all of you guys are doing wonderful. Today I'm going to be doing an in-depth review on a recent purchase that I did make, which was the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 Bandouliere in the giant monogram canvas. I did do an unboxing on this particular item and it was pretty brief, so I didn't get to go into detail as to the features, and then there were some questions that you guys had and I would really like to go over them just in case any of you might be interested in this particular bag. The canvas on this bag is a squishy texture. No difference with the canvas of the bag. Notice this beautiful gigantic monogram going on that wraps around the bag so beautifully. And then the beautiful coffee colored reverse monogram on the sides. Beautiful to point that out. There is a slight difference in piping in comparison to the other Speedies, and that is it's a little bit thicker. Is it a big noticeable difference? Absolutely not. I do think that might contribute to giving this bag a great shape. If you notice, it's pretty structured. And if I squish in on it, it doesn't change shape too much. I don't have an organizer in it or anything like that. And then if you look at this one, you'll see that if I go down like this, it will change it quite a bit. So notice that, absolutely. And then this bag does feature the key bell, which I think is absolutely stunning and absolutely gorgeous. Another comparison that I did notice was the key lock. As you guys can see right here, the LV has a circle around it. The classic Speedy 30 has the LV with no circle around it. Both gorgeous, not a big difference, but wanted to note that. Getting into the interior of the bag, I truly didn't show you guys enough last time. It's a beautiful black, and it has the same zipped pocket that the other Speedy bandolieres have. And the only difference pretty much is the black interior. And I promise you guys, it's not an endless hole that it looks like as you see in the camera. It's not. I'm looking at this like, it's so beautiful. And then I put it up to the camera and I'm like, never ending black hole. Not like that at all. That's the interior of the bag. And then one thing I wanted to note too is the fact that I do believe that all of these bags were made in France. And I could be wrong on that. Please don't quote me, but I do think that they were. Also, if you could just answer this question, please, based off of what you see, and I know you haven't seen this in person, which do you prefer, the classic or the giant? Classic or the giant? There's something about this canvas that will always radiate towards me, and I truly believe it's because it's so timeless. This dates back to the early 20th century. Damier Ebene, late 1800s. How many things can last and stay in style that long? Classic, iconic, gorgeous, never go out of style. But I love my new one. Please do leave that in the comment section below because I love both bags and I'd love to know what you guys think. This leather is a pre-aged leather, meaning it has a patina look to it. Because this bag already has such a beautiful patina to it, a concern of mine was, well, since it already has this patina that takes a little bit of a while to get, is it going to get very dark at a rapid pace? Maybe I'm just hoping for the best, but the conclusion that I do come to after talking to sales associates, client services, and reading the hand booklets is that this is not going to get very dark over time. If anything, it will darken a little bit. And to keep it out of direct sunlight as much as possible, because if it is going to patina and it is going to get a little bit darker, it's going to be because of that direct sunlight. If you guys are not aware, this bag is actually of the 2019 fall collection. So if you are in the hunt for this bag and you want this bag, there definitely is hope, because I'm sure you guys are aware we're in June of 2019 right now and fall is September, October. So I'm presuming that they are going to release more of these bags. Any of you guys that are interested in it, I couldn't recommend it enough. You will not be disappointed. If you love Speedies, oh my gosh, you will be over the moon over this bag. If you do have any questions that I did not go over, please do leave them in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to answer that for you. So now I'm going to switch gears completely and talk about something that's not of luxury, not of Louis Vuitton, rather something that's of true meaning and true significance. Today I wanted to talk about the topic of your purpose, your goals, your dreams, achieving them. First and foremost, I think it's very important to know we all have special gifts. We all have special talents. I do believe that God has something placed within you, something that's different than other people that He would like you to share with the world. Always remember that you're never alone. That's the key. Because once you know that you have a force, God who created the universe, when we think about the stars in the sky, how they're endless, He created that. To know that He is with you at all times. He breathes His life into you. He's with you all the time. Whether you feel Him or you don't feel Him, He is there and He wants the most for you. His presence in our lives never leaves, whether we feel it or we don't. As long as you apply that with discipline of the mind to achieve what you want to achieve, you will succeed. So no matter how big your dream is, which we make into goals to achieve, know that you can achieve it with God's help and be grateful along the way. God is with you. God is for you. He created you in His image. We couldn't be more blessed in this life. To know that He is with us by our side at all times is the most beautiful thing in the world. So please do apply that to whatever it is that you want to achieve in this life, because you are worthy, you are capable, you have what it takes. And once you know that you have God on your side, He can start opening up doors. Let's do it now. Let's act on it. And let's know that we have the greatest force working with us. We couldn't be more blessed. So that's going to be it, you guys. If you have any comments or questions on what I just talked about, achieving your dreams and goals while knowing that God is right there with you every step of the way, please do leave them in the comments section below. Also, if you have any other questions in regard to the Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 Bandouliere in the giant monogram canvas, I love this bag, can you tell? Please do leave them in the comment section below. So that is going to be it. I will end in closing, as I typically do, with saying wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you are maintaining your peace of mind, not allowing any negative thoughts in, and no matter how negative those intrusive thoughts may be, God knows about them. And if you just ask for help, He will help you. I thank you guys so very much for watching. And until my next video, which I do look forward to, you guys take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye.